Vigorous day everyone! Nandito tayo today sa Hard Rock Cafe. Located siya dito sa Han Casino Resorts. Dito sa Clark! If you're looking for a hangout place na may live band pero hindi ganun kaingay, good food and drinks na hindi ganun katamis. So basically trentahin things. Yes! So, this was for you. For sure, sigurado akong kakilala nyo si The Bisto Group, which owns a portfolio of dining concepts. Hard Rock Cafe is one of their newest addition. Ay, taray! Busog na busog yung eyes ko dito kasi ang dami nilang memorabilia from music legends. Tapos, may merch store pa sila. Oh, saan ka pa? Sobrang nice ng mga cocktails nila dito kasi other than hindi sila matamis, naka-isang cocktail ka pa lang, mapapasayaw ka na ng going back to Honolulu just to get that. The food was really nice then. And get this, it's good for sharing. So, sulit na sulit yung paglabas ng mga tita. Favorite ko tong legendary nachos and itong Twisted Mac, chicken and cheese. Nakakaloka yung dessert nila dito. Everything is big and hard. What? Ano? Tingnan nyo kasi, napakalaki. It was so big. Di ba, parang everything all at once. So, if you're looking for good food, good drinks, good company, good music, dito na sa Hard Rock Cafe Clark.